Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to add page border in Google Docs in mobile. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through a simple trick you can use to add a page border in Google Docs using your mobile phone. First, open Google Docs and open a page. So let's click on the edit button, and if you tap on the plus icon here at the top, it will give you an option to insert something. You'll see options like link, comment, images, but you won't see any direct option to add a page border. Since Google Docs on mobile doesn't have a built-in page border feature, we're going to use a simple workaround. So once you're in here on Insert, select Table. Set it to one column and one row. Then click on Insert Table. Now you'll see a table inserted onto your page. Next, tap and hold a small square at the corner of your table. And then you can drag it outward and downward so it expands to fit the entire page. This will act as your page border. If you can see clearly the full page, tap on the three dots here at the top and enable the print layout. There you could see already, and you could now simply drag it as per your liking. So just simply adjust the table to fit perfectly along the edges. So once you drag the table to fill the whole page, it will look like a page border or something like this. Now you can type anything you want inside this bordered area. That's a simple trick to add a page border in Google Docs on mobile. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.